In this video, we'll learn how to access and use the Accounting Detail window. From the main window, go to the menu bar and click on Accounting, then click Accounting Detail. This will bring up the Accounting Detail window. Click Search at the top of the window and the search window will open. This window is used to find any kind of accounting detail in several different ways. You can search by accounting number, control number, dollar amount, reference number, dates, journals, or users. You can even sort and subtotal. To use an example for searching, let's say you have a receipt that went to the wrong control number. You know that it went to the right account number and that it was receipted in sometime last week. In the search window, type in the account number and the dates for last week in the created date range and type in the journal number used for cash receipts. This will pull up all of the receipts posted to that account in that date range. Then you can just scroll through the lines until you find the receipt you're looking for. If you need to search several account numbers, just type in each account number separated by a comma with no spaces in between. You can also do this when searching for multiple control numbers. If you know which user made the entry, you can type in the username in the username field. You can sort the lines of your search results by clicking on any of the column headers. If you click on the reference column, the system will sort it alphabetically and numerically. If you click the same reference column again, it will sort it in reverse order. If you click on debit, it will sort all of the highest dollar amounts in the debit column at the top, and the reverse order if you click on the same column header again. You can double-click on any entry you find in Accounting Detail, and the entry will open in a new window. If the entry is a receipt, the receipt screen will open. If the entry is a check, the check screen will open. If you need to make adjustments, you can do so from those windows. The only entries that you may not be able to drill down on are the imported entries from a previous computer system. If you are searching for something and you have lines in there that you do not need, you can remove them. Highlight all of the unnecessary lines and click on Remove Lines at the top of the window. This doesn't create any kind of accounting entry. This only removes those lines from the search screen you requested. This is where your counts pull to the financial statement. If you have an accounting line that was posted with the wrong count, there are two ways to change it. Highlight the line and click on Set Count at the top of the window. It will change the count to a 1, -1, or 0. If you click it again, it will change it again. You can keep clicking until it reaches the figure you want. Another way to change the count is to highlight the line and click Edit Count. The count will be highlighted in orange at the top of the screen. Make your desired changes and click OK. When using dual-controlled accounts, you may have to correct the Control to reference number. You do not have to make a journal entry to do this. You can correct it in the Accounting Detail window. Highlight the line and click on Edit Control to. The Control to field will be highlighted in orange at the top of the window and you can make your correction there. Click OK to save your changes. You can change the line description by highlighting the line and clicking on Edit Description at the top of the window. When you edit the line description on a scheduled account, this will show up in your schedules. This is very convenient for updating receivable schedules. What if you need to review all the detail in several different accounts, but you want them sorted by journal and subtotaled? In the search screen, type in all the accounts needed in the account field. Remember to place a comma between each account and type in your date range. There are 3 sort levels you can choose from, and you can choose to subtotal or not on each one. In this case, we are going to choose Sort Level 1 as the journal, and we will check the box for subtotal. When you click the word Search at the bottom right, your data will populate. If you know you will be using that same search very often, you can save the query. Complete the search window with the desired information and click on Save Query at the bottom of the search screen. A box pops up prompting you to name the query. If there are a lot of users using this window, you may want to include your name, such as Jonah's advertising expenses. When you click OK, this query will be saved. The next time you want to use that search, you just click on the drop-down next to Select a Saved Query and highlight the one you want. The only thing you have to do is correct your date range and click Search. Accounting Detail is a window everyone in the office can benefit from. It is not a schedule. If you need to find the balance in a schedule, you should go to the Schedule screen or the Reports window. Accounting Detail gives you exactly what you ask for, so you need to ask the right questions to get the right answers. If you have an entry posted in May and you search using the date range June 1st to June 30th, you will not see what you are looking for. Always make sure you have the correct questions, and the window will always give you the right answers. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to access and use the Accounting Detail window.